Well, good morning. Today, doing a little bit of upholstery work. Um, I showed you on the previous thing there that we tore out the interior. And so, like, these little pieces right here went over the doors, and they are a transition between the headliner and the door jamb. You can see that I've taken the vinyl off of this piece. It's just it's lightweight, thin piece of aluminum. That's how these cars are made, almost like aircraft interiors with their lightweight materials. And the steering wheel weighs about half what a Grant, aftermarket steering wheel would weigh. Anyway, so this one is just only the vinyl is taken off, and it still has the old foam on there. So this one is stripped, taking all the foam off. And what I'm going to do in place of that is I bought a roll or a pack of this just inexpensive headliner material, and I'm going to put that under the vinyl as a new padding, because the old one was so smashed out. You can see the edges are all mashed, so it'll give it a nice puffy look. And little things like this kind of give the interior just a nice, fresh, new feel. Normally I might put this on with a spray adhesive, but I'm out, so using the heavy duty stuff. Either way, it's fine. It's just a little easier to and quicker to apply it with a spray. But here we are. Do the side too, let them dry up, tack up, and then stick them together. And then I'll put the vinyl on. Really wish I had gotten some spray glue, because except for gluing this around here, it's not really necessary to have so much of a thick, heavy-duty glue, but it works, like I said. So I'm going to just put a strip of glue along the middle of each one of these and stick these together just to kind of keep it from sliding around as I pull it later. Once I set it like this, it'll kind of glue it together, and I'll be able to pull nicely and make a nice smooth edge around the aluminum, and then it'll have a little bit of a puffiness to it with the headliner material. So should look pretty cool. Here we go. Finished product. Came out pretty nice. You can see that it's kind of looks kind of wet, but that's actually just the condensation from the glue evaporating from the backside. So anyway, it'll dry off nicely. Nice rounded corners or edges, and nicely covered. So that's one piece down.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell to let you know when new videos are live.
Look at this mess, folks. Tearing out the old, ripped up, nasty headliner in preparation for putting up the new one. And you can see in the back here, there's this little trim piece that goes over the top under the window gasket. I hope that's available. But for now, I'm just going to tuck the material back there as far as I can. I'm going to have to break that piece out of there and hope I can get a new one. But you can see this is directly to the fiberglass. And around the front here, it just folds over, and a piece of trim just smashes it down. So, yeah. Making messes today. Just wanted to take a little break and show everyone. Well, first of all, there's the old headliner, and what a mess this has been. It's very difficult to get all this stuff out. You can see there's still some foam left. I finally got it stripped off the leading edge here. But yeah, there's still some left. I'm going to take a wire brush and clean the rest of this off. There's where that filler panel we saw earlier, it goes, and it mostly just broke. So I'm gonna have to make a whole new one somehow. I don't know. Once I put that window gasket back in, the new one. But I'm probably gonna sand this down a little bit, because it's literally rough fiberglass texture. Now it's time to clean this off and go back together. What I'm doing now is trimming out the jute pad that goes under the carpet. The stuff that was on there originally was pretty pretty well rotted and trashed. So I made the main cuts here already, like the 4-well. And what I'm doing now is just cutting out the little spots where the seat rails go. So make it nice and quiet in there. Not likely, but at least it'll be insulated and a little bit softer under the carpet. This is the old armrest. See, it's warped, and see, it's nasty. Gonna remake this. I'm gonna reuse the old vinyl. So what I'm doing is first gonna take out all the old staples very carefully. I'm gonna try to not tear the vinyl as I just remove each staple, and we'll go on from there. On the last staple, and now we can carefully kind of open this up and pop it out. I'm sure the old vinyl is trashed. Not the vinyl, foam. Yeah, it's all, look at that. This is in good shape though. I can clean this vinyl up and reuse this part. But yeah, the board and the vinyl of this side are just done. Looks like they had some old carpet backing vinyl. I mean foam originally. So like carpet underlayment. But this is an original piece, so that's what they used. A little bit of cloth over the top of it, I guess, to kind of let it slide in place. But yeah, this is going to be a pattern, and then it's going in the trash after I save this fastener. Not because I'm reusing it, but I need to know what it is to replace it. All right, the board is cut. The foam is cut. Put a little bit of glue on each one, some contact cement, just to keep the foam from moving around. I'm going to stick that to the board, and then we're going to dress it. There we go. Good as new. Nice and cushiony. All clean. All stapled back up. All I have left to do is put the fasteners back in. They're like these. Just got to do like a 1 screw, half a turn kind of thing and get 2 new ones of those. But yeah. Let's do a quick tour of the interior as it is now. I got that, have that armrest sitting in place at least. It's not, I can't fasten it down because I still have some work to do to the center console. But there's a steering wheel that's going to get rewrapped in leather later. But we have the jute pad all laid down. The carpets are temporarily in place. I still have to pull those up and put in these snaps into the floor. Console has been straightened. I used heat to straighten it up. It's all nice and fresh. The boot is in place where it's supposed to be and glued. This armrest is like never before. It looks beautiful. It used to curl up, and now it sits proper. Looking really good. Headliner looks nice. It's all nicely in place. I just need to do the visors. And so yeah, she's really coming together. Really looking good. Sun visor time. So I'm making this up as I go. These are all heat sealed around the edge. This is what's inside as a frame to make it rigid, and it was a block of foam inside of here. Well, I'll show you what that became. Basically, the sun visors were a bag of foam dust. Absolutely, completely dusted. So what I did was I gutted the whole thing. I surgically cut a razor blade cut in the edge here. Took this out, and I'm going to take this piece of masonite, and the plan is to cut the masonite out where it fits in this groove here, like that, and then wrap the whole thing in the headliner material to give it some poofiness. And we're going to see what happens. Don't even know yet how I'm going to reseal this. I might either sew it. This will be the outer edge when it's in the car, so it'll kind of be not very visible. And A, you don't use the sun visors very much. B, they aren't very effective in this car anyway. So I just need something up there to, use on occasion. Okay, this is what I have so far, and believe me, I'm making this up as I go, so I don't mind showing you guys if I have to scrap the whole idea. But I have cut this piece of masonite, and the plan is to basically hot glue this or something, fasten this to this this frame somehow. So I'm going to wrap this entire frame in headliner material and hopefully insert it in to the pocket here, like so. And see, there's a lot of room here. There's a lot of slack. So I think once I push that in with the foam on it, it might billow this out a little bit and give it some rigidity. And then all I have left to do is figure out some way of sealing this edge back up. We'll figure, I don't know, something out. Here's what I have so far. The material is glued, let me see if I can pick it up, to one side of the frame with the masonite. What I'm going to try to do is fold evenly over all these edges, and then I'll put in an insert on this side that fits in the middle to give me a nice full puffy soft feel, and then we'll try to rewrap it and somehow seal that edge. I couldn't be happier with this. I got a nice puffy feel to the thing. It's solid, feels good. It's got the headliner material on both sides, and on the end here I made it a little bit shorter than original and folded it over and just contact cemented the end like an envelope. And so that's going to be the driver's side. So that'll be up. This will be the passenger side. So it'll be up. You won't even see the seam when it's in the up position. So yeah, this is going to work out absolutely beautifully. It doesn't even look bad, actually. So yeah, these things turned from a bag of loose foam dust to an actual rigid sun visor that probably will never be used and is highly ineffective in this car, but I wanted to have them. So awesome.